So that's the spot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for a new video. I'm super stoked to be here because today I'm bringing you on a hike and to a sweet camping spot near a river. I'm going to sleep there only tonight because tomorrow night they are gonna put in place a curfew system, so you have to be at home by 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. and if the police catches you outside of your home, they can fine you $1,000 to $6,000. So I won't take the risk, and that's gonna last 1 month. So I'm not thrilled about it. It's in Quebec, the cases of COVID just keeps going up, so that's why they put it in place. I think they just try anything at the moment, but for this weekend I'm gonna enjoy everything I can before getting confined for a month. The place I'm going hiking is called le Parc du Mont-Loup-Garou. It's located near Sainte-Adèle. It's only 1 hour away from where I live in Montreal, and the place that I'll be sleeping to is really near the hiking spot, so that's nice. So I'm gonna catch you guys at the start of the hike, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be okay with my boots or if I have to go take my snowshoes, but I have my spikes with me just in case it's very icy. It's already looking beautiful and I'm just at the base. If the trail stays like this, I'm gonna be able to do it in boots only, so that's good. It's super sunny, it's beautiful, we're gonna have a good day. It's a beautiful park. It's very open. It's got some elevation, something I love. The conditions are perfect. They even have fat bike trails here, so I could have brought mine, but I didn't know. And talking about the fat bike trails, we're crossing one. Looks so nice. Let's continue. Beware of the werewolf. I think I made it to the top. It's so funny. Hi you. I think there's a point of view. I'm gonna go check it out. It's so beautiful. We can see there, it's Ski Saint-Sauveur and Avila. There is Moronite. And there's another one, I don't know, I don't see it, but it's Mount Gabriel. So I'm gonna eat a little something before heading back to the car. To get down, I took another route, another trail, because I don't like taking the same trail to come back. Started here, I did all this trail. That was the point of view, and then came back by this one. I did this side of the lake, and now I'm back. It was a good hike. We made it. It's still sunny outside and I want to go check out the spot near the river. So let's go. So that's the spot. The love of the 4x4. So that's where I'm going to sleep tonight. So I parked myself a little better to be more level. I think it will do the job, but I'm not that confident. I love this place. Wow, look at that. And it's not all the time that you can find beautiful spots like this. The water looks so cold, oh my god. I'm starting to get cold and very hungry, so I'm gonna go prepare dinner for tonight. It was so relaxing. The natural sound while reading is so nice. So it turned out my feet were humid, so that's why I was cold. And that's my little technique to get the socks drier. So for dinner tonight, it's gonna be super easy. It doesn't require any propane, any heat. We're gonna make Vietnamese spring rolls with rice paper. So in the spring rolls, I'm gonna put green beans, tofu, spinach, carrot, and cucumber. You just take the rice paper. It's very dry and it's gonna break easily. And it's not that good like this. But when you take a towel, a humid towel, you just cover it with water for a couple of minutes. It's gonna be very soft and you're gonna be able to roll it like a sushi. While I wait for it to become softer, the drink of the night is Anakin beer. Cheers, guys. At home, what I do is I take another rice paper like this, I put it on top and I put another towel. But here I'm very limited, so I'm gonna just take my time and I'm gonna eat when I'm gonna eat. Looks about right, so let's start making it. It's like making a sushi. It's super simple. You put what you want in it. You can put everything. And it's good in summer because it's very refreshing. Now in winter it's I don't want to be refreshed that much, but it's good. I like eating different things. So now you just roll it. You roll it. And it's gonna be super ugly because I think I made this once or twice. That's it, my spring rolls. Ta-da! For the sauce, I brought sweet chili. It's a little bit sweet, as it says, and it's a little bit spicy too. It's good, but it's a little bit cold to eat these. But it's good. I'm gonna finish eating dinner, but before I'm gonna let you guys here for the video. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you in the next videos. Be safe exploring. Cheers, guys. Good night, everyone. Lights out.